Been a while. Just tooling around out here. Currently on Stevens Creek. Tried to go down Old Miller Road. Looked interesting on the map, but it is gated, which I was concerned about. But no worries. Continue on. Look for something else. I've ridden by a road over here before that said it goes up Mount Eden. So I'm gonna head down that, I think. See what that looks like. No real destination. Just random roads and big rocks. Ordered myself up some new boots. Figured it's about time I stopped riding around on my motorcycle with tennis shoes. And also got myself some new gloves, since these ones have got some holes in them. Should be here any day now. Bump the camera up to 2.7K. We'll see what viewing and editing is like. Hopefully editing isn't too bad. Still a little chilly around here, but not too bad. Mount Eden Road. Back on the old wine trail. Says it's icy. Yeah, like I said, never been on this road. Don't know what to expect. So far, so good. Supermoto's dream. Archery range. Should be fun. Interesting. Bad view. Here's your wineries. Pretty fancy neighborhood. Gets real neighborhoody up here. We're hardly in the mountains anymore. A little gravelly on that corner. Winery that way. Continue on Mount Eden. Definitely an area I've never seen before. Out of my price range. Buy yourself a winery. That's the end of the fun. Let's go this way. Got some deer for you. Stay where you are. Pierce Road. It sounds familiar. I cannot remember where this one comes out. It's supposed to take you out. A bunch more deer. It's supposed to take you back to Big Basin, which should be closed still. So I'm not sure where this one will end. Lots of wineries. Oh, it's the Mountain Winery. That one's famous for concerts and whatnot, I believe. This just dumps you right onto 9. Right near Saratoga. Yep. Now I know where I'm at. That was a quick little loop. Yeah, well anyways, that was pretty cool. One of these days I'll stop at a winery. But until then, until next time, I will see you guys. Like and subscribe.